Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IELTS in 1 month. Start by building a realistic daily plan that splits time across listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Prioritize your weakest area, but keep each skill practiced every day. Use timed practice tests weekly to track progress and adjust your schedule. Focus on vocabulary, common question types, and error patterns, and rest deliberately to avoid burnout while staying consistent. Design a daily routine that balances intensity and recovery, starting with focused vocabulary for 30 minutes to build useful word families. Rotate 45 to 60-minute sessions for listening, reading, writing, and speaking with short breaks between. Use timed practice to simulate test pressure, and always review errors carefully to prevent repeats. Record speaking answers to hear pacing and pronunciation, and request feedback from a tutor or study partner to refine delivery. Quick recommendation for busy study weeks. Use leak-proof containers to keep snacks fresh, avoid spills on study materials, and save time with organized meals. They make long study sessions less stressful and help you stick to a schedule with healthy fuel. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guide videos. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Regular practice tests are the backbone of a solid 1-month plan. Take at least 2 full-time tests to build stamina and understand pacing. After each test, analyze mistakes carefully and create a brief correction plan for each error type. Seek targeted feedback on essays and speaking from someone experienced, and practice corrections immediately. Small, focused adjustments compound quickly, turning weaknesses into reliable skills before test day arrives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.